Well, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you my work toolbox. This is what I use on a daily basis here at work. It's a Husky 52-inch roll cab with the clamshell open top. I've owned this box for about 6 years now. It's been a pretty good box. I don't really have too much complaints with it, other than a few things which I'll get to here in a second. But just wanted to give you a little tour of what I keep in this main box, and of my cart over here, but we'll get to that another time. So let's start off with the top here. I've got an old Craftsman charger which pretty much only has use for one thing, which is a radio that I use here at work sometimes. I got a few of my Mac and DeWalt 12 volt batteries right here. A couple of my 20 volt Max batteries. My Streamlight double clutch headlamp. Some paperwork, wiring diagrams, etc., etc. Safety glasses and gloves in here. This little tray I keep for warranty tools that are broken that I'm going to eventually get warranted out. And let's get started on this top drawer here. This is just a miscellaneous drawer, kind of just full of shit. Die grinders, right angle drill, cutoff wheel, ball peen hammer, that kind of stuff. Punches, chisels. I got this Vim Tools half cut bit set, which comes in handy a lot. I made a little clip on Instagram about that. See if I can link that in the video, or just check out my Instagram page and check out the little video I did on that. Alright, and this next drawer down is Pliers drawer. Got the Nipex Cobras, snap-on 3-piece set with lineman's plier, needle nose, and diagonal cutters. Nipex adjustable wrench, snap-on snap ring pliers, Nipex cutters. Good high leverage ones right here. Just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I got Mac hose pinch pliers, big, small. Bunch of assorted Matco needle nose, long needle nose, angled needle nose, etc., etc. That's pretty much it for that. My screwdriver drawer. Got the snap-on with the Instinct handles. The Instinct handle Torx bits. Those I don't really use too often, but they do come in handy sometimes. The Instinct handle radiator hose pick set. Snap-on adjustable, or not adjustable, ratcheting screwdriver. Got this Mac long number 2 Phillips, nice for reaching into hard to reach places. Up here I got my kind of go-to drawer where I keep keys for the bus access doors. Got my tire stuff in here, tire chalk, tread depth gauges, valve stem tools, adapters for inflating, pens, markers, paint pens, flashlights, extra batteries, inspection mirror, my little pocket Mac screwdriver. I know everybody needs one of these. Tire, I guess, papers for filling out tires. Keep some cold medicine in here, some ibuprofen, toothpicks, ketchup in case I need it, extra forks in case I run out of something here at work and I need something in a pinch. The keys to the box, some lotion, Yeah, and then down here we got the I guess engine stuff, measuring calipers, brushes, spark plug sockets, more scrapers, hose cutters, gauge that I haven't used yet, air tool grease, that kind of stuff down here, engine barring tools for John Deere and Cummins. More miscellaneous stuff, masking tape, Sawzall blades, special bolts I may need, pipe sealant, that kind of stuff. Just kind of a bunch of junk. And down to the main socket drawer here. All these sockets recently got replaced with a Husky 200-piece set I got at Home Depot. I kind of took all the good stuff home. I had some snap-on sockets and some Mac. But I decided to take that stuff home and just kind of start fresh here, because a lot of the sets are missing pieces, and I'm starting to do a lot of side jobs at home, so I just kind of cycled through the stuff and moved it home. But we've got the Expert Tools by Mac 3/8 impact socket set. I usually keep the metric here on the left, standard here on the right. So you can see the set's divided right here for the 1/4-inch set as well. This is also Expert. Snap-on impact sockets, standard. Got the metric set down here on this side. They've been pretty good. I like these things. Miscellaneous extensions, 3/8 drive, 1/2-inch drive, 33mm deep 1/2-inch drive. Good for taking off the lug nuts if you're too lazy to grab the 1-inch gun. The Astro pneumatic stubby impacts, standard set over here and metric set over here. Miscellaneous hex drive bits, miscellaneous adapters, driveline socket, snap-on, Matco extra deep 3/4 for caging brakes. This is nice. Let's move on to the next drawer here. Some more sockets. I have a snap-on 1/2-inch metric chrome socket set from 10mm all the way to, let's see, 34. Some 1/4-inch drive bits back here. Those are part of that Husky set. We've got the snap-on low-profile ratchet here with standard bit set, which are 12-point. Ratchets. Got this Cobalt 90 tooth little stubby 3/8. Real fine teeth, real small and compact. This Craftsman flexible 3/8 drive, which I think is like 36 teeth or something like that. Might be more than that, but it's pretty nice. It's cheap. I only got it for like $10. Snap-on 1/4-inch flex head ratchet, one of my favorites. Snap-on that I recently got warranted. This is a 3/8 flex head. This is the FLF 80A. Don't really use it too often, but it's there. Old school 3/8 Matco breaker bar. The part number on this is B12F. Snap-on 3/8 drive inch-pound torque wrench. The Matco 88 tooth locking flex head ratchet, my favorite ratchet. That's what got me started, and then I moved on and got the 1/2 inch straight. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Sorry about that. And then I just recently got the 3/8 drive locking flex head. My favorite colors too are orange and black, so it's kind of cool that they come like that. I used to have a Snap-on FL80, but I lost it, and I have this old F720A in its place. This is real old school right here, but still works. Works good too. Standard 3/8 set. I like the knurled Snap-on extensions. Those are nice. Let's go down to the next drawer. Some wrenches in here. I got the just basic Snap-on. I think it's just a regular set. I don't even think this is flank drive. But yeah, standard set. From 3/8 to 3/4. Got the Matco. I guess they're like rebranded by whoever else makes this thing. Flex head, spline drive. Wrenches. That's Snap-on metric set. Up to 17 from 10. Pittsburgh standard and metric little combo kit right here of stubby wrenches. Also got the S wrenches from Pittsburgh. Don't use them a lot, but they come in handy sometimes, so you don't really need the best brand, just something to kind of get you through whatever you're working on. Same with these little crow's feet right here. These are SAE and metric Pittsburgh. Just kind of there to help you out, not used too often. Haven't had any problems with them though. Some Half Moon Max. This is a 1/2 inch and 9/16, 7/16 and 3/8. And this one I believe is a 19, 17 and 19. I use this for John Deere air compressors. What else we got here? We have the I got this really thin 1-inch angled Mac wrench. Part number S141. It's old school. Don't really use it too much. Works on some fittings and stuff. This is the wrong way here. Got the Sunex angled 14-piece wrench set from 3/8 up to 1 1/4 inch. Got this for a good deal on Amazon. Close this. Like I said, it's hard with one hand here. Electrical drawer. Miscellaneous cables, connectors, battery stuff back there. Some extra butane. Snap-on digital multimeter. Matco RB193. This is the Relay Buddy. This is rebranded, I think from like Lyle or something like that. But it comes in handy when testing out relays. I like that set. Craftsman infrared thermometer. Some Mac automatic wire strippers. Drawer's a little hard to close. Next we got miscellaneous pullers, punches, slide hammers. What else I got? A little pry bar in there, scraper, that kind of stuff down here. And this drawer that you don't like to visit, but it's there and you need it sometimes, which is some more pullers, tap and die set. This is an old Blue Point set. Works very good. Some some Craftsman screw extractors in here. I'm not even gonna open that up. It's a pain in the ass one-handed. Matco metric fractional combination deep well bolt extractor set. It's missing one. I lost it out in the field somewhere. Need to replace it, but they work really well. They get a real good bite on things. Snap-on left hand drill bit and extractor set. That thing works pretty good. It's kind of scary to use sometimes, but sometimes it'll work and sometimes it'll help you out. Some Craftsman turbo sockets that I've had for a long ass time and I never really used. That's just a bigger set of that in there. Some miscellaneous drill bits and some large taps. The extractor for the bud wheel lug nuts right here. And down here I have my long Matco pry bar. My long Mac pry bar. Matco air hammer. This thing is badass. Let's see, what's the part number on this thing? MT2816. This thing is badass. It helps me out so much. Snap-on tech angle torque wrench. Like I said, this is really a pain in the ass to do one-handed, but you guys have seen that before. That's a snap-on click type 3/8 drive torque wrench. This I'm saving for later. That's going to be a surprise for you guys. Make another video here soon about that. And that's a Craftsman 3/8 click type inch-pounds torque wrench down there. And in here, I just have a bump cap, bunch of troubleshooting manuals, diagnostic manuals, service manuals for Cummins engines, some paper towels to wipe off the box, some snap-on matte and flat finish cleaner. This is for my home box, which is a snap-on matte black, but I use it here at work because it works just as well on this stuff. Down here we got more paperwork and a bunch of blow mold cases with Power Probe 4, Tiger Tools axle puller right here, snap-on probe, snap-on battery tester, and that's pretty much it. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's my work box. I mainly work out of the cart because we're constantly getting shifted around here at work on what we're going to be working on and in what bay. So when I need to load up, I'll load up some tools out of here, put it in my cart, and roll out to the job I'm on. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you guys like some of the stuff, and hopefully you guys have some questions that I could answer. Feel free to let me know down in the comments. And please subscribe and click that bell. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.